Hey guys, how's it going today? Just gonna go ahead and wait a few minutes here and see if we can get some more people to join in. All right, we got the Hawks buyer here. How's it going? Just gonna wait, give it about 5 more minutes or so. Give people some time to get settled in and hopefully jump on here. All right, just give you guys a quick scan so you can see here are 10 boxes. Brand new. Retail factory sealed. We got 10 of them there. 4 of the megas, 4 of the retail blasters, and 2 of the hanger boxes today. And we also got an entire case break up right now. If anybody's interested in some 2021 Panini Mosaic Baseball, that should be a pretty exciting one. All right, guys, for those of you that are here and ready to watch, I'm just going to give it another minute or so here and wait and see if anybody else is going to join us today, and then we'll go ahead and get started. I know you're probably anxious to see what we got, so we can get started ripping some wax here real shortly. Got any questions, comments, or anything like that, go ahead and shoot them up there, and I'll answer them as best I can. Hoping that everybody that does join us today gets a chance to jump over to YouTube at some point and check out our channel on there, Box Breakers Extreme, and subscribe to the channel. As soon as we hit that 50 subscriber mark, we'll be able to go live on YouTube as well. All right, guys, I'm sure we're ready to go ahead and get started. I don't know how everybody else feels, but I generally like to save the best for last, so we're probably just going to start with the 2 hanger boxes first and go on from there. And if you guys like these ones, we might be able to do another one of the Flux basketball in the near future. At my local Walmart, it seems like all they care about is football, so I get pretty lucky, and there is tons and tons of basketball and baseball that I can go get just about any day of the week. So, all right, I'm going to start out with these 2. Good luck, everybody. find some really good ones for you guys today. Probably going to take a little while. Hope everybody's comfortable. We got 10 boxes to go through, so. All right. First hanger box. Caruso, Rui, Harris. Only one of the things I noticed about this Flux when breaking a bunch of it for myself is has those bends in it, so try to get them into the top loaders right away and pull those bends out. Pretty cool Giannis right there. Giannis and KG duo. Bucks and Timberwolves. I believe that one will go to the Timberwolves. First rookie card here. We got a Skylar Mays. Very cool look to that card there. Between these and the Mosaic, personally, I think I prefer the Mosaic, but these are pretty darn cool still, too. Malachi Flynn, Elijah Hughes, Isaiah Joe, CJ Ellaby, and RJ Hampton. Moving right along to the next hanger box here. Can't wait to get to those mega boxes. We're going to get so much blue ice today we could host the Stanley Cup. Oh, that's a cool one. That Deluxe. I actually managed to snag one of those for myself out of some Prism that I opened up for myself. Those and the Flex Appeal, I really like those. Those are really cool. Anthony Edwards right there. Our sleeves and loaders ready to go. George Hill. All right, we got some rookies coming down. Jaden McDaniels. And LaMelo Ball. Nico Mannion, Mikael Mulder, Precious Achua, and Azubike. All right, Moving on to the blaster boxes. Looking for some of those retail exclusive inserts, the Deluxe and the Flux Appeal in these ones. Who knows, maybe they'll even sneak in an autograph for us. Unbox. Alright, here we go. Back to ripping some wax. We'll go ahead and go through these one box at a time. You got your 4 boxes out there for the blaster. Good luck, guys. Starting out with some Hawks. Clint Capella. CJ Ellaby, rookie. Obi Toppin. And Donovan Mitchell there. I'm gonna go ahead and do these kind of like a mega rip style. I'm sure it being Sunday, everybody's got a lot of things they want to be doing today, relaxing, watching TV. And we want to get to those mega boxes for sure. All right, remainder of box 1 here. Andrew Wiggins, Reggie Perry, rookie card, Gary Trent Jr., PJ Tucker, and Emmanuel Quickly. That's a very cool freshman year parallel. Sean Tate on the rookie card. Gordon Hayward. That one's very cool. Pete Maravich Prism insert. All right, second blaster box. Here we go. There's definitely one thing that I'm not super fond of on the Flux. When you get to the blue cracked ice, depending on what the team colors are, sometimes it's really hard to tell what's going on in there because the team color just blends right in with the blue ice. Still really cool though. Set him over there. All right, we're starting off with some Luka Doncic. Xavier Tillman rookie right there. Charles Barkley, Anthony Davis. Garrett Temple. The Mojo Prism. DeRozan, Miles Bridges. RJ Barrett, that's going to be a Prism card there. DiVincenzo. Azubuike. Mojo Prism rookie card. We got a Sadiq Bey, freshman year parallel rookie card. Don't worry if you don't see me sleeving every single one of these up right now. As soon as the video is done, I will get everything added to a sleeve. Just don't want it to take forever sitting here sleeving every single card live on camera. All right, last pack here out of box number 3 of the retail blasters. All right, Paul George. Prism there. And we got the Hawks and Warriors on that one. Looks like that one's going to go to the Golden State Warriors. Kira Lewis Jr. on the rookie. Julius Randle, Jared Allen. Oh, there we go. Here you go, Hawks. We got a Trae Young, Mojo Prism. That's a really cool looking one right there. Derrick Rose, another Mojo Prism. All right. Last retail blaster, then we get to move on to the mega boxes. Start seeing some of that blue ice. Okay, come back to that one here in a second. If you guys saw that, but it looks like we might have an autograph in that pack. Not sure who it was or what team, so we'll come back to that one here momentarily. Scan through these guys quick. Cam Reddish, got a Josh Green on the rookie. Monty Morris. Another Deja Vu parallel. Malik Beasley, Colin Sexton. Okay. Those two are kind of stuck together. There we go. Mojo Prism. Clyde Drexler with a red and black border there. Very cool. Go ahead and throw a sleeve on that real quick. Clyde the Glide. Kareem on the Mojo Prism there. Nice. All right. Good luck, everybody. LA Clippers, Reggie Jackson. Nice autograph prism there. Not too bad for a $35 blaster box. All right, here we go. Move a few things around here so we can get set up and do the 4 mega boxes that we got. One, 2, 3, 4. Box 1. All right. Well, we got auto on the last one, so it looks like we're heating up a little bit. Let's see if we can find some heaters for everybody watching today. I mean, so far not super exciting, but heating up a little bit. Definitely want to find some good cards for everybody, but for you guys decided to join and watch in today, find you some good ones in one of these boxes here for sure. All right, box number 1. I'm gonna go do this one 4 quick packs at a time, just to mix things up a little bit. I was saying earlier, if you guys are interested in baseball at all, we are doing an entire case break of 2021 Panini Mosaic Baseball. Running that on eBay right now. Gonna find 36 autos, case hit. I've been doing a lot of the baseball. That's one of my main things I like to collect, and it's a lot of fun. I really like the vintage ones that have the old players on there, Robin Roberts and Bob Feller and all those guys, and how they kind of look like stained glass. I think they're pretty cool. And right now I'm sitting on about 6 boxes of Panini Illusions football. Trying to decide if I want to go ahead and run that one or wait and get about 4 more boxes and do it as a 10-box break. So if you guys might be interested in that, let me know what you think. Go ahead and run it as 6 or wait and do 10. And right off the bat, you said Come on, Grizzlies, and you got your wish. There we go. Killian Tilly, autograph prism. Out of the mega box there. Sweet looking card. Congratulations, man. You can go ahead and hang out up there with Jackson. All right, rookie card, Sadiq Bey. Throw a sleeve on him real quick. I'll keep moving through. Magic Johnson on the blue ice. Jaren Jackson on the cracked blue ice. Very cool. Some Catmandu. Drew Holiday. Tyler Hero. Looks like we got a Flux Appeal. Those are super cool. I really like those ones. Bam Adebayo. And Cassius Stanley on the rookie card. Another Clyde Drexler. Got a Deja Vu with Davis and Duncan. Prism. Let's see. Looks like that'll go to the Lakers buyer. Jordan War rookie card on the blue cracked ice prism. Go ahead and get that guy sleeved up real quick. Porzingis, Bacon, Kyrie, and Iverson. Yeah, looks like that one's gonna go to looks like the 76ers buyer for that one. Kawhi Leonard, blue cracked ice. All right, still on the first box of the 4 megas. 3 more packs here. All right. Tyrell Terry on the rookie card there. Bridges. Jalen Brunson Prism. Got a Jaden McDaniels rookie blue cracked ice prism for the Wolves. Deja Vu of Mannion, Nico Mannion, and Goran Dragic. And looks like that one will go to Golden State Warriors. There we go. For Orlando there, got a Cole Anthony on the blue cracked ice prism rookie card. Very cool card. That's where the team colors get confused with all that yellow around there. It almost looks like you got something gold going on. Still very good. Go ahead and move right along to box number 2, mega box number 2 here. We definitely warmed up, 2 autographs in a row. Let's see if we can keep that trend going for you guys here. Maybe just hit a hot box, get a couple autos in one box. All right, here we go. First half of box number 2, mega box number 2. Starting off with a Malachi Flynn rookie for the Raptors. And looks like a freshman year for Devin Vassell. Al Horford on the blue cracked ice prism. Angelo Russell. Peyton Pritchard, rookie prism. Luka Doncic on the blue ice prism there. So we got one turned around the wrong direction there. Okongwu, rookie card. No auto just yet, that's all right. We only got half the box here. Keep them autographs coming. Kyle Anderson, very cool with the pink border there. Haven't seen that pink border on one just yet. Duncan Robinson, cracked ice blue, another Doncic, Kyle Lowry, Alfred Payton, and Robin Lopez on the last cracked ice blue prism out of that pack. All right. Second half of the second mega box. Here we go. Hey, those flux like to get stuck in those upper corners. All right, good luck, everybody. We got Jason Tatum, Mitchell Robinson, freshman year of Theo Maledon, and Josh Okogie on the blue cracked ice prism. Tyrese Halliburton, rookie. There we go. Hachimura, Donovan Mitchell Prism, and on the blue cracked ice, we got Anthony Davis, Daniel House Jr., Gary Harris, another Deja Vu. Got quite a bit of those. Desmond Bain and Malcolm Brogdon. Is that going to go to the... Looks like that's going to go to the Grizzlies. Fred Van Fleet feet on the cracked ice prism there. Miles Bridges, Vince Carter, and a Flux Appeal, Stephen Curry, Mr. Chef, and a Cassius Stanley for the cracked ice prism rookie card there for the Pacers. Very cool looking prism right there. I like that card. All right, let's move a couple things around quick here, and we will go ahead and move on to box number 3, mega box number 3. Glad we're finding some autographs for you guys today. I did about a dozen of these for myself and did not find a single autograph. All right, here we go. First half of box number 3 of the mega boxes. Starting out with some Ja Morant for the Grizzlies. Shake Milton. Another Deja Vu of Stewart and Ben Wallace. It's one of the first ones where they're on the same team. So we know that one's going to the Pistons. D'Angelo Russell on the blue cracked ice prism. There's a David Robinson prism and blue cracked ice, a Dennis Schroeder. Another Halliburton rookie. Got some more Al Horford. Hey, there we go. We got a James Wiseman, freshman year parallel rookie card. Get that up there for the Warriors. CJ McCollum on the cracked ice prism there. Drew Holiday, Fred Van Fleet, Kevin Looney. And Zeke Naji, blue cracked ice, rookie prism. D'Angelo Russell. And David Robinson Prism. And on the last one, we got the Dennis Schroeder Blue Cracked Ice Prism there. All right, starting off with Elijah Hughes rookie card for the Jazz. We got Ben Simmons, Bogdanovich, Alexander on the Blue Cracked Ice Prism, some Trae Young, Russell Westbrook, Kobe White Prism, Kira Lewis Jr. Blue Cracked Ice Prism rookie card there. And we got a Peyton Pritchard freshman year rookie insert for the Celtics. Kyle Lowry on the Blue Cracked Ice Prism. Malachi Flynn rookie card. Abdul-Jabbar. Flux Peel Prism. Russell Westbrook and Magic Johnson. Deja Vu, sorry. Been so used to seeing these Deja Vus, I'm just expecting there to be one in almost every pack. And that's going to go to the Lakers. All right, everybody, we got one more mega box to go here. Last box. Good luck, everybody. We actually got 2 cases of that Panini Mosaic Baseball. Got the first one up there on eBay. Kind of trying to decide what to do with the second one. I may run it on there or I may just keep it for myself. Depends on how that first one goes. Like I was saying earlier, I've got some 2021 football Panini Illusions. Got 6 boxes of that. Just trying to decide if I want to do it with 6 or wait and try to do it with 10. And you guys can leave some comments later, and if you're interested, maybe I'll run it with 6. All right, we got Zach LaVine, Enes Kanter, another Deja Vu of Killian Hayes and D'Angelo Russell. And that one's definitely going to go to the Wolves. Beasley on the Blue Cracked Ice Prism. We got a Patrick Williams rookie. Joel Embiid. Vince Carter. Damian Lillard on the Blue Cracked Ice Prism. James Harden. Lonzo Ball. Miles Turner, Dirk Nowitzki, Jamal Murray, and a Sterling Brown on the blue cracked ice prism. Alright guys, 4 more packs to go out of this last mega box. Good luck to everybody. Just want to say thank you all for those of you that made it today to watch, and thanks for bidding. If you get a chance, please check out our YouTube channel, Box Breakers Extreme, and subscribe. As soon as we hit 50 subscribers on there, we can actually run these live on YouTube as well. Seems to be the preferred method that most people use. I'm okay with the Facebook myself, but alright, last 4, and we're starting right off the bat with a James Wiseman rookie card there for the Warriors. No love for the Cavs. Yeah, I like I said, I did about a dozen or so of these retail megas for myself, and I don't think I saw a ton of Cavs in those ones either. A little mojo on there, and maybe we can find one for you in these. Alright, we got a Harden and Paul Pierce. I believe. Let's see. That one is going to go to the Boston Celtics on that one. I feel like they're like super big fans of this Deja Vu design. We just see so many of those, and personally I think the Flux appeals are cooler. I'd like to see more of those actually. Payton, Alfred Payton on the blue cracked ice prism there. Marcus Smart, Al Horford, and the exact same one, just in a prism version. All right, Panini, you know, I think I'm getting deja vu every time I open a pack and just keep getting the same deja vu parallels over and over again. I get it, but they don't really need to put those puns in there with our cards. All right, blue cracked ice prism, John Collins. Corey Joseph. Fred Van Vliet. Precious Achua on the freshman year parallel rookie. And Lonnie Walker on the blue cracked ice prism. Vernon Carey Jr. rookie card. Okogie and Gary Trent Jr. Malik Monk. Okay. All right, guys. Well, that does it for the Flux break for today. Like I said, I appreciate everybody that came to watch, and we got several more going up on there, so if you guys are interested, go and check those out. And I'll make sure and get all these sleeved up, top loaded, and get them protected, get them sent out to you here in the next couple days. If you have any questions, you can hit me up on the Facebook page or on eBay. Either way, we'll see y'all next time.